Hey, my name is Sean with Guaranty RV, and today we're going to look at a 2021 Northwood Nash 22H. Alright, as you look at this great trailer, one of the great things with Northwood is you're going to have great insulation in this trailer. Keep you warm in the cold and keep you cool in the hot. As you walk in, you're going to see all the great room you have in here for a non-slide trailer. You have a full couch here, you have a booth, a bed, lots of storage here in the bedroom area. You do have a privacy shade here. Both the booth and the couch both turn into beds if need be. And then you can see in the bathroom you have a full bath with a toilet, shower, sink. In the kitchen here you have refrigerator, large stove, 3-burner top, sink, air conditioning with ducts throughout the trailer. It's also going to be equipped with TV, DVD, Bluetooth, automatic awning, and many more great features. Once again, thanks for looking at this 2021 Northwood Nash 22H. I'm Sean with Guaranty RV. Have a great day.